Universe. Today we have Q&A. Mexico is first. Okay, what do you like to choose? Two please. Two. You have chosen by Aris Mitunen. Aris, what do you like to say to Mexico? Hi, Miss Philippines. Hi, Miss Mexico. So, that will be art hour. Now become a art mission. Thank you, wonderful Miss. I saw that art hour are genius that we can save our planet, save the earth, and our universe. Water, and quality, and intelligent, and our people are so connected than the world. Thank you. Woo! Next, Philippines. What choosing? Number one, please. You choose. Number one, hot butter. What is sharing people and tolerance? What is forgiving to the others? I think so. I need to win a Miss Up. I need to win a Miss Universe when I grow up. Now then, I will help loser to me. If loser, my mama will get punished. So that means, are you winner? I don't like her. Thank you. Wow, boo, boo. Selfish. Next is Curacao. Okay, what do you like to pick a number? Pick a number 3 again. What 3 again? Okay. We choose with a panic. I will choose another again. I miss Curacao again. No, we change to earn money. We need to poor need save money. What is that? They want our state a card. Then people that homeless people will giving us total grant. Now Miss Universe organization. Now that will be a poor, rich, and good sharing to God. Our call say God, Papa Jesus, we love you all. Thank you. Wow! Good job. Next is Colombia. Now we'll take it. Okay, what do you like to choose? I want to choose number one, hot butter. What is denied will change into us in what Mother Earth. So I think that our winner is Genterate. The Genterate the world becomes Dilbell. Thank you. What? This is not fair. Next is lastly Paraguay. Okay, what choose Paraguay? Two. I wish you to know. I wish what is for power question for Paraguay. I miss Paraguay. What is your changing the life? How become a Miss Universe as Miss Universe? I need sad and person that are Miss Universe. The people are sad and all people that are cares, intelligent are in world that Paraguay is my best country in the world. Thank you. Woo! Good to not see Paraguay. There we are. The top 5 is here. Who's known as Miss Universe. This the top 3. After this Q&A, we have top 3 and final question and answer. Right or false?